To open a long position on Mexc, start by understanding what Mexc is. Mexc is a cryptocurrency exchange that allows users to trade various digital assets. A long position is a trading strategy where you buy an asset with the expectation of selling it at a higher price to make a profit. First, you need to create an account on Mexc if you do not already have one. Go to the Mexc website, click on Sign Up, and follow the registration process. Once your account is created, verify your email address and complete the Know Your Customer process to enable trading. Next, deposit funds into your Mexc account. You can do this by clicking on the Assets button, selecting the cryptocurrency you want to deposit, and following the deposit instructions. Make sure to deposit a cryptocurrency that can be used to trade the asset you are interested in. Now, navigate to the trading interface by clicking on the Trade button. Select the spot trading or leverage trading option. Depending on your trading strategy, choose the trading pair you are interested in, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. To open a long position, click on the Buy button and select the order type you want to use, such as market order or limit order. A market order will execute the trade immediately at the current market price, while a limit order will execute the trade when the price reaches the level you specify. Enter the amount of the asset you want to buy and confirm the transaction. Your long position will be opened, and you can monitor the price movement of the asset in your account. To close the long position, you need to sell the asset. Click on the Sell button, select the order type, and enter the amount you want to sell. It is essential to set a stop loss to limit your potential losses if the market moves against you. A stop loss is an order that automatically sells the asset when the price reaches a certain level. You can also set a take profit to automatically sell the asset when the price reaches a certain level and you want to realize your profit. In conclusion, opening a long position on Mexc involves creating an account, depositing funds, navigating to the trading interface, selecting the trading pair, and clicking on the Buy button. It is crucial to understand the trading risks and use risk management tools such as stop loss and take profit to minimize your potential losses.